Assalamu alaikum, my dear audience. How are you? I hope all you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I am getting back here with a new video with you. In this video, actually, I have a plan that to share with you how to calculate the fabric weight in kg. Basically, in the garments industry, we always remember a law, different types of rules, but the fact is we don't know what is the basic of that rule. So in this video, I am going to show you how to make clear your basic understanding on these rules and how to build up these rules. So let's continue to watch this video. Before going to start to explain about the rules, I would like to share with you some of the conversions. I know these are very common, but still you have to very focus on this point so that you should not forget any of these conversions if you want to do job in garments merchandising. So there is mentions like the weight conversions, and in other side I have mentions like length conversions. So if you would like to say like few weight conversions, that is like 1 kg equal 1000 gram, 1 kg equal 2.2046 pound, 1 pound equal 16 ounce, and 1 pound equal to 53.592 gram, 1 pound equal to 0.45352 kg, 1 ton equal to 1000 kilogram. So this is the weight conversions, and also you can see few length conversion which you have to remember always. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 1.09361 years, 1 years equal to 0.9144 meter, 1 inch equal to 0.0254 meter, 1 years equal to 36 inch, 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 39.3701 inch, 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. So let's start to go through the. You can see this rules in generally in the garments section in the industry, that we always see that okay, there is a fabric quantity in kg. If you want to apply to find out any weight in kg, then you have to consider like length in yards and dia and GSM. These three you have to multiply and then divide by 43056. Then you will get like a weight in kg. So this is the rules generally everywhere is apply yards in 1 kg. Then you have to also apply these rules like quantity in yards equal to 1550 into 1000 divided by dia into GSM into 36. So this is what the rules generally we are seeing that in the garments industry they are applying. But the fact is we really have to be more clear about like the basic concept, how actually these rules are coming up. So let's enjoy the basic concept. So you can see here like the GSM equal to gram per square meter. This is the very general concept that those students are textile background or not the textile background, but they are just recently joined into the industry as a fresher, so they already knows that okay, GSM equal to gram per square meter. It means that every square meter fabric weight is 1 gram. So 1 gram, that means if 1 GSM, that is 1 gram per square meter. If we can say okay, there is 180 GSM, so that means 180 gram per square meter. So if we call a one fabric has a like 180 GSM, so we generally understand that in that fabric 1 meter square fabric weight is 180 gram. So that means 1 meter square fabric weight equal to 180 gram. And this 1 meter square, actually how can actually we define that? Okay, this is actually a area. In our student life we also understand that okay, if there is a rectangle, what is the area? Area is length into width. So if we can just presume that okay, this is the fabric and this is the fabric length, and beside this is the fabric dia. So if we multiply like 1 meter into 1 meter, so we will get like 1 meter square. So this is the area of that fabric. So if we can say okay, 180 GSM equal to 180 gram per square meter, so 1 meter into 1 meter equal to 180 gram. This 1 meter and 1 meter, how actually it comes like length into dia equal to 180. And then let's say if we want to identify the fabric weight for a 200 meter square fabric, okay, if there are 200 meter square fabric weight, then the GSM is 180 grams, so we can just easily multiply that 200 into 180 gram. So that means that fabric weight is 36,000 gram. So that means the weight equal to, we can easily say that, okay, length into dia into GSM. So weight equal to length into dia into GSM. This length is in meter, this dia is in meter, this is the GSM. So the basically this is the mother rules of concept, that every rules is coming from this rule. So you have to remember these rules first. So I think you already clear that how actually these rules comes in. So now let's see if we want to convert this meter into the year. So we know 1 meter equal to 1.09361 years. So we just need to divide. So then if you want to convert this meter unit into inchi, so we have to just divide it by 39.3701, because we know 1 meter equal to 39.3701. So there is a GSM. So we know in the GSM the weight is in gram. So we want to convert this one into the 1000 divided by 1000. So that means it will get like a 1 kg. So if we can just multiply this the lower unit like 1.09361 and then 39.3701 and then 1000, 1000, these three unit if you want to multiply, then it will give us 43,056. So we can say the weight equal to length in yards in inchi and GSM. So if we multiply this three figure and divide by 43,056, then it will give us like the total quantity of the weight or total quantity of fabric, how many kg we need the fabric. So I think you already understand how actually these rules comes in. So the basically the mother rules is like W equal to length in meter into dia in meter into GSM. So from these mother rules, we just getting these rules. So if we can say example that, okay, length equal to 5 years and that fabric has a 60 inchi dia and that fabric GSM is 200 GSM. So if we say that, okay, how many kg for this 5 years fabric? So 5 into 60 into 200 divided by 43,056. If we can divide this, and we will get like 1.394 kg. So this is the figure and facts how actually we can get these rules. So let's now discuss about how many years in 1 kg fabric that we are going to discuss in the previous slide. I have already mentioned this is the mother rule, like the weight equal to length into dia into GSM. So if you want to convert now this length unit only, like if you want to convert this one into inchi, so we know that 1 meter equal to 39.3701 inchi. So we just divide it, then we will see that, okay, this figure is the inchi, and beside this in dia we want to also convert it into inchi. So we just divided 39.3701, and then GSM in kg. So we also want to divide it 1000, so that we will get it in kg. So out of this three figure, if we want to convert this inchi into years, then we know that 1 year is equal to 36 inchi. So we just put these two parameter in this, and just length unit we just divided by 36. So that means it will easily convert to the years. So if we just make it very simplified, that, okay, this 36 into above multiply divided by 39.3701 into this is the dia is the same figure and GSM is the same figure. So we can make this one very simple into weight equal to weight, that is like the weight equal to length into 36 into dia into GSM. We just put it in above, and these two figure 39.3701 and 39.3701, if we want to multiply these two figure, we will get it like 1550, this figure. So this figure is this figure. So if we want to simplify this figure also, we can multiply, that is the length into 36 into dia into GSM equal to this weight into this figure into this figure. So if we want to get like the length, so length equal to this figure, this figure, this figure in above, and then divided by this figure, this figure, this figure. So 36 GSM and dia. So if you want to get like the length, how many years for 1 kg fabric, we can apply easily these rules. So also we can simplify these rules as well. Like if we want to multiply this figure and divide by this figure, then what we will get? We will get like 43,056. That means how actually we get it? 1550 into 1000 divided by 36, then we have got this. Okay, so easily we can also remember these rules, like the length equal to weight into 43,056 divided by dia into GSM. In the first my slide I have shown you that okay, the length equal to the 1550 into 1000 divided by dia into GSM into 36. So you can remember like this way, or you can remember like this way, it's up to you. So I have given here one example easily understanding, that is like if one fabric dia is 60 inch and that fabric GSM is 200 GSM, and if we want to identify how many years for that fabric 1 kg, so like you see the W equal to 1, okay, and then 43056, this figure is there, and we know the dia is 60 and GSM is we know 200. So that means we will get like 3.59 years. So this is all about this whole video. So if still you are not enough clear, please give your comments or give me your email to my email address in the given in the description box. So I am pretty sure that from today onward you will not remember any types of rules in those related rules in the garment sector, because you now clear that how actually it comes from. So see you then.